Laughology!
Laughology!
We work for a company called Laughology, and Laughology is a consulting development company that looks at the positive impact that laughter, humour, happiness and well-being has on individuals
It's so unique.
and organisations.
It's just like a completely different way of teaching us.
We're here with young people today looking at communication skills and how to enhance those using a bit of comedy.
Oh my god, this bit was so fun.
Oh, yeah, we worked well here to build up ideas.
With collaboration.
Yeah.
Laughter's so important as well. Yeah, it's good that we had a whole session on it.
It must have been so scary to like speak up and try and be funny in front of the whole year as well.
So I was 6 years old. I was on holiday.
People just had like funny, like different sides to them that you've just never seen before.
And then my friend's got an infected toe.
Not the infected toe. The timing's what made that funny.
Yeah. It's such a skill to have that, you know.
They pushed it outside of our comfort zone.
They really did. I've really developed my communication skills that day.
It's so weird that this is what schools come to in 2022.
I know, it must be so much better than when our parents were at school.